Hello children, welcome back. Welcome for our next session, revision session of mathematics, and we are in chapter number 2, polynomial, which is going to come for the exam children, right? That is first periodic. And we have already started in the last session with the revision. You have seen the basic concepts of polynomial. What is polynomial, what is degree of the polynomial, then what are the types, then we have seen which are called monomial, binomial, trinomial, and then what are linear equations, what are quadratic, what are cubic, right? So these all concepts we have covered in the last session children, right? Now let us today start different types of sums which we have covered children, that we are going to see, and in exam only MCQ, filling the blanks, such type of questions will come, but that will be in that form children, right? Still you have to solve and find the answer. If it is MCQ, there will be options given and you have to select the correct option, but be ready with a pen and a book and solve first, read the question properly, and then choose the correct option, right? So let us begin children with our today's session. Yeah, so find the value of the polynomial x square minus 2x plus 1 at x is equal to minus 1. So here now directly the question is very simple children. You have to find the value of the given polynomial at x is equal to minus 1. So x value will be given to you. You have to just substitute this value in the given polynomial and find out the solution. So let us begin. That is x square minus 2x plus 1. We have to substitute x as minus 1. We say it as p of minus 1 is equal to, now wherever you see x, you have to substitute it as negative 1. So here you can see negative 1 whole square minus 2 into negative 1 plus 1, that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1, which is nothing but equal to 4. So this is the easy type questions children. Easily you can find out whatever given the polynomial, if value is given, that value you have to just substitute, right? So I hope you got this. So in MCQ form, how this question will come? Find the value of a polynomial x square minus 1 at x is equal to 1. So what is the given polynomial? X square minus 1. And what is the x value given? That is x is equal to 1. So we say it as p of 1 will be equal to, now wherever you see x in the given polynomial, there we have to substitute the value which is given to us, right? So x square means nothing but 1 square and minus 1 as it is. So 1 square will be 1 and minus 1 is nothing but equal to 0. So this all you will solve in your book, okay? Find the answer and then options will be given to you. You have to choose the correct option. So here I'll select the option C, that is 0. So now I hope you are clear, right? So these type of questions may come children. Now 0 of polynomial, we have already seen how to find the 0 of polynomial. Polynomial will be given to you children. Yes, you have to equate it with 0. So let us begin. P of x is given 2x plus 7. So 2x plus 7 is equal to 0, right? That means 2x is equal to, now whatever constants are available with the variable, I'll transpose it to the other side. So here 2x, when I transpose this, yeah, 7 to the other side will become negative 7, right? And then only 2 is remaining. I transpose this 2, it is in multiplication form with x. When I transpose, it comes in the division. So x is equal to minus 7 upon 2. So how to find, check whether it is correct or not, that you know children. We are finding 0 of polynomial. That means when I substitute this value in our given polynomial, I should get the value 0. Let us check. So 2 into x value, I got minus 7 upon 2, right? And plus 7. So here 2 and 2 gets cancel. What is remaining? Negative 7 and plus 7, which gets cancelled, and it is equal to 0. So this is proved that it is P of 0. So this is how you have to solve and find out the answers, children. Right? Let us proceed. Next. So MCQ will be the 0 of the polynomial of P of x is equal to x minus 5 is dash. So you have to find what is the 0 of the polynomial. So let us find, that is x minus 5 is equal to 0, right? X is equal to, I'll transpose this 5 to the other side, that will be positive 5. So this is the 0 of the polynomial. So then I'll choose the option positive 5 from the given options. Let us check whether our answer is correct. 0 of the polynomial means if we substitute this value which we got in the given polynomial, it should be equal to 0. Let us see, we got our answer 5, right? So it is x minus 5. Suppose I substitute x value as 5. So 5 minus 5 will be equal to 0, right? That means this is the 0 of the polynomial. Let us proceed, children. I hope you are aware now what type of questions will come, right? Now find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Now if only remainder we have to find, then we know by the remainder theorem directly divisor we equate with 0, and that value we will substitute in the given polynomial, children. Now here divisor is x minus a. So if I substitute x minus a is equal to 0, that means x will be equal to a. Now this value x is equal to a, we will substitute in the given polynomial. So it is x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. So let us substitute. You can see here a cube, x cube is a cube minus a multiplied by a square plus 6a minus a. Now when we solve this, you can see here this again becomes a cube. So a cube, positive a cube, negative a cube becomes 0. Then 6a minus a is nothing but 5a. So this is our solution. I hope you all are getting, children. Next, check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Now we have already seen this concept. When we say that the given is the factor of the given polynomial, when it is we get the when we substitute this x value, we should get the answer 0, right? That means we first equate this to 0, that is 7 plus 3x is equal to 0. So x value we will get as minus 7 upon 3. So this value now we have to substitute in the given polynomial. If this is equal to 0, then we can say that given is the factor of the given polynomial. So let us substitute, children. So p of minus 7 upon 3 will be equal to 3 into minus 7 upon 3, because it was 3x cube, right? And whole cube you can see here, plus 7 into minus 7 upon 3, that is 7x. Now after solving this, you will get here minus 490 whole divided by 9. So if it is not 0, we will say that 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. And if it is 0, then we will say yes, it is the factor of, right? So let us proceed. Is x plus 1 a factor of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1? Similarly, now again x plus 1 equated with 0. Find the value of p of minus 1, that is, suppose x plus 1 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to minus 1. We transpose this 1, right? So this value now we are going to substitute in the given polynomial. If it is equal to 0, that is, we are going to find the p of minus 1. If this is equal to 0, we can say yes, x plus 1 is the factor. If it is not 0, then we will say it is not a factor. Now let us see p of minus 1. You can see here, I have substituted here minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 square plus my negative 1 plus 1. That is equal to negative 1 plus 1, negative 1 plus 1, which everything gets cancelled and the answer is 0. That means I can say that x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Now let us proceed, children. So this is the next one we have seen, factorizing, right? There may be 3 terms, there may be 4 terms, but in exam, children, factorizing of 4 terms is not going to come, okay? So 3 terms we have already learned, children. Let us see how to do this. Now factorize 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Now when there are 3 terms, we take the product of first and the last, that is 6 6 are 36, right? And the middle term is here 5, right? So now we have to take such numbers whose product will be equal to 36 and sum should be equal to 5, right? And that then we are going to split the middle term using that factors, right? So what are the factors, children? One, I get the pair is 6 and 6, that is 6 6 are 36, but again if I add 6 6 or subtract, I will not get 5, right? So this I will not take the factors. Now another one is 9 and 4, right? That is positive 9 and negative 4. If I take 9 4s are 36 and 9 minus 4 is again 5. Now this satisfies the condition. That is the reason the middle term we will split it as 9x minus 4x. Now let us see the 6x square as it is, negative 6 as it is, and in the middle term, that is positive 5x, we have take it as, we have made it as plus positive 9x minus 4x, that is nothing but equal to 5x only. So this is how you are going to split the middle term when there are 3 factors, right? When there are 3 terms, sorry. So now again, after you have done this, now next step is taking the common terms between the first 2 and the last 2 terms. Now if you see the first 2 terms here, we can take common as 3x, right? And in bracket remaining will be 2x plus 3, right? And in another this 2 terms, we can take negative 2 as common, and in bracket it will be 2x plus 3, right children? Common how to take, you people are aware? Yes. So next one, now you can see these brackets are same. So this is one factor, that is 2x plus 3, and the remaining other 2 terms you will take in the other bracket. Now this is the another factor. So this 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2 are the factors of the 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So this type of questions may come. Now if it in the MCQ type, how it will come, children? It may come as factors of 6x square plus 5x minus 6r, okay? And the factors will be given. So you have to obviously solve it and then only choose the correct option if it will come, okay? So these type of all the sums we have seen, children. Let us proceed. Sums in your textbook were there, children. Find p of 0, p of 1, p of 2, like that different values I can ask, like p of 4, p of 5 or anything, right? And given polynomial. So in the given polynomial, you have to substitute the values which are given. That is, if p of 0 is asked, you will substitute 0 in the given polynomial wherever it is t, right? Wherever it is a variable. So let us see, here it is given p of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube, right? So putting t is equal to 0 because we are finding our p of 0. So we will substitute variable t is equal to 0. So after substituting, you can see here 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube, which is nothing but 2, plus 0 minus 0, which is nothing but equal to 2. So p of 0 for the given polynomial is 2. Similarly, putting t is equals to 1 because we are finding now p P of 1, right? So P of 1 is equal to, again substitute wherever you see T, value 1, and then whatever you will get, that is the solution, children. Alright, similarly P of 2 also you can find out. So whatever is the given polynomial, here wherever you see the variable T, you have to substitute in place of that T is equal to 2, and then you can find out that P of 2 is, now substitute 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube, that is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 square is 2 into 4 minus 2 cube is 8, and then 2 plus 2 plus 8 and minus 8, plus 8 minus 8 gets cancelled, and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So this is how these are the different types of sums which we have seen, children. Finding the P of 0, finding the P of different values which is given, then factorization. Alright, so practice these all type, children. So today we will stop here, and in the next session again we will continue with the polynomial revision. So thank you.